I want to vote for General Musharraf is because I hope that he can keep these crooks out of the political process.
ये लीडर्स बस अपने ड्राइंग रूम में बात कर रहे हैं और ये आ जाते हैं, पब्लिक इनके साथ नहीं है।
The reason why we back General Musharraf is only one reason, that he will keep the crooked and the corrupt politicians who neither our judiciary nor our election commission has been able to keep them out. Four times we have had governments kicked out for corruption. Each time the same politicians have come back into parliament and plundered the country more. So the reason why I want to vote for General Musharraf is because I hope that he can keep these crooks out of the political process.
एंड हाउ मेनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज दे आर डाइवोर्स्ड, ये इनकी ये पब्लिक से डाइवोर्स्ड है। ये लीडर्स बस अपने आपस में ड्राइंग रूम में बात कर रहे हैं और ये आ जाते हैं, पब्लिक इनके साथ नहीं है, कोई क्लियरली नहीं है इनके साथ।
Generally, I think the administration has gone well, but I have other doubts. How many of these people have come voluntarily, and how many of them as a duty to the department to which they belong? That question cannot be answered easily.
I'm in favor of Prophet Musharraf because I think he is doing such a great job. He is doing for our country something.
Yes. Why not? Surely it will be yes. All the person they are standing or will say yes.
मैंने अपना वोट इसीलिए पोल नहीं किया कि मैं समझता हूँ कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में रेफरेंडम की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं।